What is going on YouTube? In today's video, we're actually going to be doing an unboxing review video. As you guys can clearly tell by the title of the video, we will be doing a Cobo Vault Pro hardware wallet review. So if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about this, learning about cold storage wallets, definitely make sure to watch the video till the end. Otherwise, let's jump into today's episode. So guys, just a couple of days ago, I actually received a pretty cool package in the mail, something that was extremely well packaged and, something that I totally forgot about. So a company called Cobo actually reached out to me in reference to reviewing one of their newest wallets on the market. And I said, hey, why not? Send me something. If it's good, I'll leave an honest review. And if it's bad, I'll let everyone know it's bad too. And they said, sure, give us a review and let us know how it is. So I actually received it in the mail just a few days ago, and I opened it up, and to my surprise, this thing was very unique and very cool for the technology that we have available today. So I know that it is backed on some sort of Android type of system and device, and it is also a wireless touchscreen, external hardware wallet too, with a camera as well. So some very interesting features on this thing. As you guys can see behind me, I do have the Cobo, store up, and you can see that the Cobo Vault Pro is actually $149. This is exactly what I received. It came with two battery packs, regular external batteries and a rechargeable battery too. And then this is what it itself looks like with this micro SD card as well. So there's quite a bit of cool stuff that you can get with this thing too. As you can see, it has a fingerprint sensor, which is pretty awesome for the wallet itself, anti-tamper and self-destruct mechanism as well, and quite a bit of cryptocurrencies that can be saved on the wallet, which is pretty cool as well, because some of these wallets have a limited supply of what you can actually store on the wallet itself, but this one actually has quite a bit of quite a bit of altcoins to be added as well. So it does take AAA batteries, and it also has a rechargeable battery. It comes with a charging cable. All this, you'll probably see behind me, as I did do an unboxing in this. And as you guys can clearly see, what's in the box is exactly what's stated as well. You can see on this diagram here what exactly is included, and then you can see in the videos that is also included as well. Now, this did not come with it, but this is a way to keep your seed safe from people or from forgetting it. So that's also a pretty awesome buy. But specifically, I do want to discuss with you guys what it is that makes up this hardware wallet, as well as how easy it is to use and what it actually looks like. So the Cobo wallet, as it explains, is one of the more premium wallets available on the market, which is reflected in the build quality, as it is very sturdy and hard. The device has a nice heavy feel and a 4-inch touchscreen, which makes it much easier to use than Trezor or the Ledger Nano in comparison. At the size of a small smartphone, as we know, it is also much easier to carry than a smaller hardware wallet that can be easily lost, that looks like a thumb drive. And one of the cool features of the Cobo Vault that stands out over the Trezor or the Nano Ledger is the use of a QR code scanning option to air gap the device, and will make it pretty much easier for review and in a later video, especially in regards to review how easy and ease of use it is to actually having to be able to literally just scan a QR code with the device itself, instead of using Ledger, which you have to plug in and then use an app and transfer it over and use a website. This is very easy to use, and the setup process is extremely easy as well. You literally turn the phone on, you enter the language that you want, which is English. You would click this, you would scan the QR code that's on the screen, and then you would choose the seeds. You would take the seed down, write your seed down, and then reprogram your seed back in to make sure that you do have the seed written down correctly, and then you're good to go. You choose the altcoins that you want added to the device, and then you just connect it to the website that it has up, and you're good to go. It is literally that simple, and it is extremely easy to use. So they do accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Litecoin, ETC, Tron, EOS, Tether, XRP, XZC, IOST, DCR, as well as Ethereum, EOS, and TRX, which is Tron. So they have a ton of coins, and they're obviously setting up even more coins for later options as well, which is pretty awesome. And they have a very, very, very tight security system that the wallet is air gapped, meaning it doesn't come in contact with other machines at any point. 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC are not supported, and therefore can't be used as an attack vector because it is not on the device at all. So it's very cool. They do have an SD card which is loaded with an update that you can plug into the back of the device, and that's what will reset or update the device itself to newer software. And as you can see in the photo here, they do have like the two come out of contact. It will detect that the screen has been removed and immediately erase all sensitive material, sensitive information, which is pretty cool. So that self-destruct feature, when these come in separate with each other, if some person was trying to get into the device itself, it would immediately erase everything that's on the device, which is cool too. So otherwise, it's extremely easy. I mean, they do have this, cool video. And that's pretty much it. That's exactly how you send everything over or send everything out. And it's that simple. So, I mean, I think it's a very cool wallet. I mean, let me know what you guys think. I did link the Cobo wallet down in the description below if you guys did want to pick one up. It's up to you. But I do think it's a very cool wallet. And if you are looking for a way to store your cryptocurrency off an exchange, which is extremely risky, and keep it private and stored in a safe, this is definitely a cool wallet to do so, because there is a ton of cool features and tons of new features to be added to it as well. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, follow me on YouTube, obviously subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter as well at CryptoVOfficial, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.